that was a big net full that time. Holy moly. Tuesday, November 25th, guys. More trout going in the ditch. Let's get after it, guys. Trout season is going. Seen it here first, guys. More rainbow trout in the ditch. I know you guys have been wanting the videos, so here you go. Let's get after it. Same deal. Night crawlers, corn, rooster tail spinners, guys. They're probably going to be finicky once again. Fresh stock, it's always hard to catch. Good old rooster tail, guys. Sold, all the paint's worn off of it. Let's get to fishing. They're starting to warm up, guys. They're starting to warm up. Go. First little stalker, guys, pretty small one. You hit the rooster tail, guys. Not nearly as fat with pellets. This one's like missing a fin and stuff, guys. Caught one in the current, guys. On the rooster tail. That's a pretty looking rainbow, y'all. In that current. Heck yeah, they're moving, guys. Those stalkers are moving around. I'm gonna land this fish. Tell you guys some more about how to fish these trout, guys. Should be fast action. That was literally my first cast, guys. Cheap gear too. Right out of that current, guys. Real nice. There he goes. Where's that rainbow, guys? Back into that current, y'all. Nice. There he is right there. This is what you have to walk through to get down there. There's my rod. Real little baby trail down there, guys. 2 inches of bank to stand on. Sometimes that's what it takes to get on those trout. Really tight quarters down here, y'all. Tight quarters. Oh my God. Ugh. Be careful, guys. You gotta be careful ditch fishing. There you go, guys. Got another one. Nice, guys. Just had to read the water. He's in this other side. He's fishing the wrong side. Healthy rainbow for the current, guys. Heck yeah. Gotta love them. Nice rainbow trout, guys. Heck yeah. Send him back. Right back into his little current, guys. Line got wrapped a little bit. Drag was being finicky. Righty, y'all. As far as where to ditch fish for trout in Albuquerque, it's really simple, guys. These ditches are on the east and the west side of the river, running north and south all the way from the South Valley to Bernalillo and beyond, guys. These river-fed ditches are all over Albuquerque, specifically the ones that have trout, the ones on the east and west banks run along with the river, guys. It's the main ticket to know you're in the right place. You just gotta move around like any type of fishing, guys. Try to find your own little honey hole. You never know what you might stumble on.
Hey y'all, this was Catfish Cameron with another one. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it useful. Make sure to get out there, start ditch trout fishing, guys. There's plenty of trout in those ditches, just waiting for you to catch. I appreciate each and every one of you watching.